Welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one mining website. That mining website is one of the best because that mining website pay me much more. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. All my videos are freeware on website. This is a mining website. This mining website available, a link available in description. If you want, you can buy any miner in here. You can invest your amount and just click login. First of all, I show you how you can start mining from here. You make an account for yourself. I make another video about this miner, and you can see this much I withdraw from here and this much available balance in my amount, and just I click withdraw. Right now I can withdraw just Litecoin because for Bitcoin minimum withdrawal is 20,000. Okay, after reaching 20,000 I will withdraw this one. I just click Litecoin. This is my Litecoin wallet address and I just click request. Okay, wait few seconds. You can see this will be pay me in Litecoin Satoshi will be this much. Litecoin Satoshi, this will be pay me. I just click confirm and you can see this withdraw is independent. And if I want to withdraw Bitcoin, just I click Bitcoin, I just click request. In the top of here show me this error. Okay, after I reaching this much I will be share with you the withdrawal proof of this website. And this website pay me free, not paying amount. I didn't pay any fee, anything in here, and this much is the amount I can withdraw. After I reach is 0.302 I can withdraw from here, and this is the available amount for right now. This will be every 24 hours the amount will be going in my balance. Okay, added to my withdrawal balance. Okay, thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. This website pay me 100%. You can just click my link, join this website and start earning.